In this video, we will show you how to reset Epson L4261 or L4267 using resetter or adjustment programs. Before you download these adjustment programs, we suggest you to disable all of your antivirus on your computer. This is just for a while when you are doing reset. Then in here, we disable the real-time protection first, and also the temper protection because I'm using Windows 11 in here. After that, we can download this resetter. The link of this resetter you can get on the pinned comments. So after you download this resetter, you can just right click and extract here. I'm using WinRAR program in here. Then open the resetter folder and run the adjustment programs. If it's required password for the first time use, you can get the password in the txt file here. Then you can select model name for L4261 or L4267 like this and click OK. In here, you need to select particular adjustment mode button and scroll down. In the maintenance, you must select was inkpad counter and click OK. And on the check and initialization, please tick on main pad counter option and click check button. After you are click check button, then the next step is click initialize button. If you encounter an error in here, you can repeat the last step. Then, if the resetter works, you can click finish and turn off your printer. You can also turn off the programs. Then you can turn back on your printer again. Hope this video helpful for you.